top-tier piece of equipment, crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy. Designed to meet the needs of professional trainers and Pilates enthusiasts. This reformer offers both durability and functionality, making it a reliable and efficient choice for daily use. Aluminum alloy oxidation 复环 6 angle adjustments. Stainless steel sailing wheel accessories. Microfiber leather is more resistant. Imported precision springs, smooth rebound, accurate resistance. Aluminum alloy oxidation bed. Seamless experience with full body efficient training. One-step folding, easy storage is space saving. The ideal choice for home training.